Hello guys, in this video, we'll show you how to download a page from your Wix site. Right now, you can see that I'm in the support.wix.com, and then there is a title here, downloading a page from your site. As you can see in the description below, it is not possible to download a Wix site or any of its pages as the editor needs to be in constant connection with our servers. As such, it is not possible to work offline or save site pages to your computer. As a workaround, you can use the print screen option to take a screen capture of your site pages. So if you are thinking to download your Wix website or a page from your Wix website, then there is no option to download any Wix pages in your Wix site. Thank you guys for watching this video. Keep following for more video tips.